Today, I'll show you how to duplicate a slide in LibreOffice Impress. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, knowing how to efficiently duplicate slides can save you time and effort, allowing you to maintain consistency throughout your presentation. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. LibreOffice is a fantastic open source suite that provides you with a range of tools, and Impress is their answer to creating stunning presentations. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the LibreOffice website to download and install the suite. Once you have LibreOffice open, look for the option to click on Impress Presentation. This will open up the environment where you can create, edit, and manage your slides. If you have an existing presentation you're working on, go ahead and open that file. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new presentation to follow along with these steps. Now, take a look at the left side of the screen. In Impress, you'll see a panel displaying thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation. This area is crucial as it allows you to quickly navigate and manage your slides. Find the slide you want to duplicate. Right-click on that slide thumbnail. A context menu will pop up offering you several options for interacting with the slide. From this menu, you'll want to look for and click on the option labeled Duplicate Slide. This action will create an exact copy of the selected slide and place it right after the original. It's a nifty feature that ensures the formatting, layout, and content are all replicated without any additional effort on your part. Duplicating slides is particularly useful when you have a slide with a format or content structure you want to reuse multiple times throughout your presentation. For instance, if you have a slide with specific branding or a complex layout, duplicating it can help maintain a uniform look and feel across your presentation. Remember, any changes you make to the duplicated slide will not affect the original slide. This gives you the flexibility to customize the duplicated slide as needed without worrying about modifying the original content. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to duplicate slides in LibreOffice Impress. This quick and easy method is sure to enhance your productivity and keep your presentations looking professional and cohesive. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more features in LibreOffice Impress to further polish your presentations. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.